Namaste. KTHM College organize 3-day UGC sponsored national level workshop for NSS program officer and student development officers on managing the trace and sustainably well-being for the society during and after pandemic situation. Faculty development program, it is one of the important part of education system, and KTHM College, Maharashtra organize such type of national level workshop to the development of faculty as well as the society. It is a very commendable or achievable activity run by KTHM College. I congratulate to managing body of KTHM to organize such type of development programs for the well-being of society. I really congratulate to faculty members, those who have the participate this development program for upliftment of a society. The management focus to the attachment, development of a faculty, campus as well as the student. They choose the platform of NSS. We are aware about that. The NSS is an activity run in nationwide, and therefore the NSS activity is naturally their own status. Therefore, I'm saying very proudly, I'm one of the part of this NSS. I would like to talk with you on the topic of contribution of NSS in social transformation and nation building. So before we can start the specific subject, just I give the outline or background or introductory speech about the NSS. NSS is Central Sector Program. Yet the central government, state government and education institutions are the three pillars of NSS. And therefore, KTHM College is one of the partner of this collaborative activity. I would have been impossible to say that the nation-wise, this activity alonely run by Union Ministry. So they take the decision that we work with collaborative model. So what is the collaborative matter? Collaborative model means one side, the union government, that is called as center government, state government, and university one hand, and education institution is other hand. So in this case, state government and center government can emphasize that role of education institutions. The one side, center government, state government, and university, and other hand, education institutions. So itself, it is a indicate that the education institution can play the very vital role of society through the NSS. So university also playing the important role to motivate the education institutions, support to education institutions. When we can say about that support to education institutions, it means the university also focus attachment with the community through the institution, through the program officer, through the student. And therefore I am saying this is the collaborative activity. I am saying that this is the partnership between education institutions and university. In this situation, NSS is one of the good platform for well-being of society or attachment with the college and community. Therefore, I am saying that the NSS volunteer have been making a very valuable contribution to the society beside the developing their own personality. Just I give some of the figures because I am one of the part of the state. So I will just give the information what type of activity we can run the previous year and current situation, pandemic situation. During the previous year, NSS unit organized 2,871 special camps in adopted village and slums across the state. NSS volunteer undertook 16 lakh volunteer hours for Shramadhan, donate 70,000 unit of bloods and planted over 3.45 lakh samplings. The volunteers are instrumental in organizing about 2015 health, eye and immunize camps. Also 2,765 awareness program through rallies, campaign on various important program and social issues. NSS volunteer facilitate pulse polio immunization program and near about 50,000 children get the benefit. The volunteers have been play the key role in Swachh Bharat Mission, digital literacy and popularization of yoga. In current year, the slogan of yoga is yoga with family. So everyone can aware about that. NSS also there. And NSS can play the very important role for celebration of 6th International Yoga Day with the 4 lakh people. This is the miraculous example of NSS volunteer work with the society. I'm not forget about that. The role of program officers and student development officer are very crucial, very important, very prestigious role they can play in this situation. Honorable Vice Chancellor also participate this yoga program. So you are really emphasize that the every stakeholders can took the part in International Yoga Day celebration. In pandemic situation, during the pandemic, NSS played a very crucial role. You are aware that everywhere is locked. No classroom teaching, no examination, no assessment, no lectures. And this situation, education institution can run on the shoulder with NSS program officers and student fraternity. They're playing very important role. Somewhere they are the frontline workers with the help of government. Like Polysmith, like isolation center, they can work for maintaining their health, their care. Somewhere they have worked with making a food packet. You are surprising. NSS volunteers start the community kitchen. They make every day 9,000 food packets. Not one day, 2 days. Continuously 14 days. 40 days. This is the contribution of NSS. I know KTHM College is affiliated with the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Pune University decided the target of 60 lakh marks making and teachers. Not only the target. They plan to support the education institutions with financial, with supportive role. And student can make the masks, teaches the masks and distribute it to the society. So when we can say about that, the target will be decided by the 60 lakh marks. It is itself can indicate that the awareness. Near about 1 lakh blood donor directory made by the Savitribai Phule Pune University with the help of affiliated colleges. Somewhere, some of the colleges making the sanitizer and distributed to the needy people. So this type of activity run by the NSS. Why I'm saying that? In the lockdown period, everyone can locked. Only NSS will be free hand to work. And therefore, proudly say, I am a part and parcel of this NSS. I congratulate to all participants. They are the partner of this success story. Their contribution never forget by the state of Maharashtra. I am saying they are COVID warriors. I'm not saying the very firmly that the frontline workers, but they are playing the role of supportive role as a COVID warriors. And today I have delivered the lecture on the topic of transformation and nation building, the role of NSS. I'm focused 4 parts. Why I'm focusing this 4 part? We can give the structurize this lecture in different aspect. How we can social transfer, how the contribution of NSS in nation building. I decided the 4 target. Number 1, focus on service learning and importance in careers. Number 2, promote the community service among the college student. Number 3, create awareness among the villagers on various issues. And last, make us of various skill development program for the personality development of student. So I will be given the focus on career, personality development, college going student awareness and promoting to community service, and last, villagers awareness programs. So villagers also train about the various social issues. On this 4 aspect, NSS play the important role for transforming and nation building. First of all, I focus on personality development because NSS run for volunteers, and volunteers is one of the stakeholder, importance, not only the stakeholder but important partner. So the personality development through the activity, it is one of the objectives of NSS. So entire scheme with student centered sector scheme, concentrate out only student. So the National Service Scheme has a strong and effective program media in the higher education. It is providing the community education through the student involvement in various activity. NSS provide the knowledge and information to student or volunteers through the various activity with active involvement and participation of people. NSS activity are help creating the healthy relationship of student with community for the social development and awareness of issues. Many innovative programs implemented by the NSS to provide plenty opportunities to the student to build valuable and constructive nation. It was therefore thought essential to the study of a NSS activity and see what extent this activity have brought the positive impact on the improvement and advancement of a student potential and their community achievement. You are partner of this NSS, so you are aware. NSS changing the role of principal. NSS changed the mindset of program officer. NSS motivate to the villagers, and NSS give the skill to the volunteer. And therefore, all these members will be change their behavior attitude. The principal's role is a very important role to the development of a student and faculty. When they are positive, the percolation of these things up to the student and atmosphere creating the positiveness. This atmosphere give the glory of personality of student. So the NSS play the very vital role in social mobilization and national reconstruction by arranging the different activity like plantation, construction of bandhara, construction of road, construction of wells, construction of Samaj Mandir. These are the constructive role and construct of different types of situations. So therefore, the NSS is one of the platform where the personality of student will be give the shape. Student can performing the role of mediators between the education system and community, which is helpful for nation building. They are developing their qualities of leadership, skill, communication, helpful nature. These aspects give the multi dimension of volunteers. The encouragement of student, there is various alternatives are available in the college. NCC is there, open learning department is there, cultural department is there, and NSS is the one of the activity. But you are aware which role is most important for the purpose of college activity running, for the purpose of attachment with the community. So everyone can give the focus for NSS only. And therefore you are the partner of this. So NSS can be provided to supportive role for personality development of NSS.